shot. I'ma say bye-bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren Nicole, and I totally forgot to do an intro, but I decided to do a stretched out braid out, which actually came out really nice to be just stretched out, and it was really soft. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright you guys, I hope this works. So I'm starting off with stretched out hair. I did exactly what she did. The products that I'm going to be using is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Leave-In Conditioner and the As I Am Curl Enhancing Smoothie. These aren't bad products, but I wouldn't buy them again. So first, I'm just parting my hair in half. What I did, I let my hair dry for 2 days, and all I did was put it in 2 braids. I didn't put any stylers in it. I took my hair down, and now I'm about to do as instructed. So 4 braids on each side. She braided on the scalp. I remember when I used to braid on the scalp, but I never used to like how it would turn out, but I never thought to do it dry. So she used the leave-in first, then she used the cream. So that's what we're gonna do. So going with the leave-in, no water, and I really hope, oh, you know what? I could see why this would act right. We got our brush. I can see why she, okay, this is making more sense now. I can see why she does this dry, because this is definitely making more sense. I'm gonna use a little bit of cream. Oh, you know what? I know she recorded this in 2019, but girl, where have I been? I've always wetted my hair when I did braid outs, because it's the small things that make a big difference. And who knew to stretch your hair first, then do the braid out? What? OMG, I think I am sold. I can already tell how my hair is about to feel. Okay, so I'm already coming to a conclusion, and I'm not even done with the freaking video. Like, I'm not even freaking done with the video. But if you have type 4 hair, type 3C hair, your best option would be to stretch your hair out with braids and then do the braid out. I know it sounds backwards, but the style will last longer. I'm already impressed. Do y'all see the freaking shine? Okay, so I don't have any perm rods, but I have these. Yeah, I have these. So I'm about to she said just twist the ends, boo. Don't do no extra stuff. And then, okay, do it on the whole head. By the time it's time to step out, y'all, we might just, y'all, she was onto something. A braid out on freaking dry hair. What, like, why didn't I think of that? Okay, all right. Regular schmegular scarf. Alright, so it's the next day. So we're about to take this hair down. I'm so freaking excited because it's my first time ever doing anything like this. Okay. I mean, I just don't understand. Like, when I don't expect these edges to act right, that's when they act. That's when they want to act right. Like, okay, whatever. I'm gonna just grab this chia oil. And then kind of. And then it's time to take these bad boys down. My only biggest worry is the ends, cause see, yeah, you have to take this down with oil. You have to, because if not, it is not gonna be cute. So yeah, like with any other braid out, twist out, take it down with oil, so you don't get your feelings hurt. I just don't want this to be a frizzy mess. I really don't. Want to see what, y'all, what the is this? I am done with the South. Oh, guys, what the heck is this? What is this? You gotta go. You gotta go. Ooh, you. What the heck are you? Y'all, I'm so freaking done. Y'all. I know it's outside, but you guys, who wants to look at you? Hide. Please hide. Oh my God, it's just giving extraterrestrial. Like, I cannot. They got the nerve to come right when I start recording. Like, you had all this time to pop up and play peekaboo, but he chose to come now. Like, ooh, you are 2020. That bug is 2020. My stomach, oh my God, he's messing up my mojo. I didn't even oil. I'm about to speed up, speed up, speed up. What is this, a family reunion? What are you? What? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. He just flew away as soon as I took the phone off. You know what? I'm not playing with these bugs. A little small one. I guess that's the mama. Is she still right there? Okay. I'm not mad at it, but I wouldn't twist next time. I like it. I'm not gonna even lie, I like it. So, you know what? No, I like it because this is how my braid outs normally turn out anyways. Like, this is how they normally turn out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will wear this. I will wear this. Next time, I'm gonna just do chunky sections, or maybe I should try twist next time. I may do twist on the scalp next time. It's the product. It's the product. We're just gonna say it's the product. My hair is soft. If I just wanted to do something quick and wear it out, real big poopy hair, I would still do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram. I know I don't even mention that, but follow me on Instagram right here. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You ever